Hello and welcome everyone to another video here on this channel. Congratulations to everyone who followed me on my long position for Ethereum here. And in this video I will of course provide you with all my further expectations and all of the actions I'm planning here for my trading management. So stay tuned and stick here with me until the very end. And we're starting here straight into the 15-minute time frame for Ethereum. And as you can see, we perfectly bought the bottom here. As you probably remember, I provided you here on this channel with the information that I want to buy here at the $14.70 level for my deepest buy order, which got triggered was at $14.64. So I think it was here at this point, where my lowest buy order was set. My first buy I did here at the $1,500 level. Congratulations to everyone who followed me on that. Right now we have $1,578. So I want to show you my long position, which I opened back then. So as you can see, I'm racking right now approximately $43,000 in a profit, and those profits are saved with a hedged short position. So as you can see, 500 Ethereum long, 500 Ethereum short. The long position was opened approximately at $1,500. The hedge short position at $1,582 to save those profits. So all in all, my long position is $750,000 big, and my short position has the same position size. And we want to look here into the Ethereum chart, and I want to tell you here where I will set further actions. Because when we look here, my wave count is actually that this has been a wave 1 towards the upside. Then with this fat dump here, we got a very nice wave 2 in the perfect retracement area. And since then, we have developed here this wave 3. And if we zoom in even further, you can see that this has been a very nice 5-wave impulse, which we perfectly tracked in my Telegram group. I updated everyone here many times with all the retracement areas. We got an update here in the wave 2 retracement area. I told everyone here would be the time to buy again in this further pump towards the upside. Here I set the second retracement area for the wave 4, which finally developed as a triangle. And this was the wave 5. So as you can see, we had a 5-wave move towards the upside here, which in my opinion, or in my view, actually finished here this wave 3. We cannot be sure about that. If we see another high right from here, my expectation would be that this wave 3 is not finished yet, or it could also be that this wave 4 has already been in, but I don't see that yet. I don't think. I think we will come once more here into the retracement area, but it's not necessary. We can also go up from here, to be honest. We can straight go higher here in this 5th wave. What would be the target? I can measure it for you. If we are really moving up from here, the target would be 1618. If we are seeing, of course, another low here in this retracement area, which I cannot promise you, but in the usual case or in the normal case, we would see that wave 4 low here approximately at $15.55. With that, we would confirm here this trend line, this previous resistance as support. And this could most probably be a wave A. So now we see a wave B, then we see another wave C towards the downside. So this is the position then after a 3-wave move towards the downside, which in my opinion will then finally complete this wave 4. This is the moment where I will again close my hedge short positions and will only keep my longs opened, which I opened at $1,500 because then the price target is approximately at the $1,605. Of course, we can extend further, but that will be the point where I open up again my hedge positions, because from there I expect a wave 2 retracement. And as you know, the wave 2 can also extend until 99% of this wave 1. So I don't want to risk that. I still expect another wave 5 here towards the upside, which can technically start from here. I think we are going a little bit more down in the wave 4 before we see this move towards the upside. And from there, an ABC correction, which will go most likely in the area between the 0.382 and the 0.618 fib retracement. So this is the most reliable wave count in my opinion. And this has a very good chance in my opinion to work out. However, this is no financial advice. As always, this is my personal opinion and the solution of my financial market analysis. And yeah, so my actions, of course, based on that will be, as you can see, right now I'm in my hedge. I will close the hedge short position down there in profits. I will not scale up here my longs yet. I will just go with the 500 Ethereum long position for this wave 5 trade towards the upside. Open up here again 500 Ethereum short position, slightly above $1,600 US. And from there, I expect a larger 3-wave move. So yeah, I expect, or I plan to keep my hedge shorts opened during this whole 3-wave correction. I don't want to trade this wave B. Wave B can be quite choppy and can extend and can develop as a triangle. I don't want to trade this wave B. So I will close my hedge shorts here, open them again here to save the profits, wait until I see a 3-wave confirmed move towards the downside, which can then be counted as a 1, 2, and from there I will again close my hedge short positions and profits, and from there I will also scale up my longs again. So from there I will probably go 700 Ethereum long, or like all in all position size. Right now I'm 500 Ethereum. From there I will top it up a little bit, but only after we see here this 5th wave, which would be the best indication due to the elite wave analysis method that a bottom is in. So if we see really the 4th wave a little bit extending more towards the downside and then another high in a 5th wave, this would be a very, very nice confirmation in the elite wave theory that a bottom here was in place at the $1460 level. And when we then see a corrective move here towards the downside, of course, we'll scale up my longs a little bit. So that's my game plan for Ethereum. Let's now look at the Bitcoin chart. And as you can see also there, we practically hit my expectations perfectly. Also there, I expect a top to be in place, to be honest to you, because this was a 3-wave 1, this was a 3-wave 2, this was a 3-wave, yes, this was a 3-wave 3, this was a corrective or also 3-wave, you can say, 4, and this is quite impulsive as a wave 5, but still, if this is a leading, a different count would be that this all is this 3, that would be quite the better wave count fitting to Ethereum, to be honest. If we say this was the top of the wave 3 and all of this was a 3-wave move, A, B, C, then we have the leading diagonal pattern again, which is a 3-wave move, wave 1, 3-wave 2, 3 waves in wave 3. Now we get 3 waves in wave 4, so this could, as I said, be same scenario as Ethereum, be the wave A, now there is a B, and there will be another C down. This will then finish the wave 4, and from there we can see the wave 5 towards the upside. So that is actually the wave count which I'm going with, and I will measure you the target. If we say that large move was the wave 3, same scenario as for Ethereum, then the target for the wave 4, or actually the target would be here in this area, but I don't think that this is already enough, to be honest. I think this is only an A wave of the wave 4, so we see another B and the C down, and from there we can get one last leg towards the upside. If we are not getting it, this would indicate weakness in the charts. This would most probably mean that the bottom is not in yet. But since until now it looks very good. So there is nothing to criticize right now. I'm very happy with how this developed, to be honest. Also the indicators are looking quite good. They didn't overextend on the bigger time frames, as you can see when we're looking at the 4-hour time frames. We have still space towards the upside here. For example, on the 4-hour RSI, but as I said, I don't think we will go there in a straight line. We will retrace once more, go up once more, so that's my expectation. Then after we saw 5 waves, we are finally overbought, and then there can be a larger wave 2 retracement, which loads us up again before we see the wave 3 towards the upside. So this is also with the indicators matching, in my opinion. The only question is if we are seeing this deeper wave 4 retracement, but I think so. If we are not seeing it, it's no problem for me. Then I will just keep in my hedges until we see the bigger retracement down. I can also give a target for the bigger retracement here. If we use the FIB extension or FIB retracement levels here for this whole wave 1 movement, if we see the 5th wave, it's important to get that, then the preferred target area would be between $22,200 and $22,000. So that's my expectation currently for Bitcoin. Let's now have a look at the QNT chart. And as you can see, we got some upside here for the QNT as well. Is this now a confirmation that we have bottomed and that we are shooting up from here? No, of course not. It can be. Don't get me wrong. It can be. It would be super bullish because now this would have to be 2-1-2 setups. So there would be 3-4, 3-4, and so on. I don't see that coming yet, also because of this impulsive move towards the downside. So I'm not changing my opinion about that. As you know, down there I placed you two target areas. The first one was this one on the upside. The second one is still here in place between $80 and $90. And I said we need to move up and then down, and from there we can get a larger reversal towards the upside. I'm still sticking to that, but right now, I told you yesterday already that the indicators here were quite bullish. Right now, it could be that we see another high, or what does mean right now? I told you already that this doesn't necessarily need to be an ABC correction only. This can also be a more complex correction. And this, of course, is a wave B all in all. As I said, in my expectation, this is an A. So this is a B, and a B can extend further. A B can even be overshooting, but then there should still be a C which reaches this target area. So there should still be a C which goes below the wave A high. And if we are looking at that, it could be that this develops into an WXYZ correction. So this would be the W, X, Y. Now this was another X. So there will be one more set, which will be approximately at the $200 level. This would be the one-on-one extension of this wave Y. And from there, we would then get exactly the same move towards the downside. I think this would now be my preferred option, to be honest. I told you, QNT is very, very volatile. I did not open one single QNT trade yet. I added it to my analysis somewhere at the beginning of January, and I told you I will enter down there because this is a very, very good long position setup if we see a three-wave move down there and get bullish reversal signals here on the indicators. But as long as we are not getting there, it's for me not really a good entry position, because right now this could still be only a wave set towards the upside. Do we have a guarantee that we come up there? No, because we can also go further down from here. So this would just then be a 1-2, 1-2. So there would be a 3, 4, 5, 4, and another 5. So this would be a little bit more bearish count. Yeah, we have some options here on the charts. QNT for me, very, very risky to trade. If we see the most bullish case, the bottom has been in already. But how would I react to that? I would not buy in, to be honest. I would wait for a bigger retracement. For something like, no, we cannot really go with the opportunity that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, except we are counting this as a leading expanding diagonal. But also in this case, we would now see one more move towards the upside, then break down in a three-wave move just here and then reverse towards the upside. If we see that, we would actually discover it early enough to react. But right now we cannot know. We cannot know. I will observe that for you. I will keep you updated every day on this channel about the QNT chart as well, of course, as I did it before. And right now the special altcoin for today, which I'm looking at, is ADA Cardano. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into the charts. As you can see, I did not change my wave count from my last Cardano analysis yet. I did not do any single redrawings, and right now it's looking quite good, because right now this can be counted as a wave B. The first option is that this is only wave A down. This now is a wave B. This wave B can extend, of course, a little bit more. So Yeah, in the worst case, this wave B can even overshoot the wave A bottom or top in this case. So be prepared for that. I told you I will not trade that. Yeah, I will not trade this move towards the downside here. But if we see another move towards the downside here in this target area, this can be perfectly counted as a 1 towards the upside, a 2 towards the downside. Yeah, but this wave 2 should now be a 3-wave move, as I told you. And if we're seeing that, if we're coming down to this target area, this would really be a perfect entry position for Cardano, in my opinion. And I would personally expect then a wave 3 towards the upside here in this target area, round about the $57 level. So it would be practically a 2x, 100% trade, but we should see another low, another dip towards the downside. This wave B can of course extend for now. We cannot know it, so be careful with that. Can this low actually be in already? I don't think so, because it was a 5-wave move down. I don't think this was a 5-wave move down, but I of course give you already the warnings that this wave B can overshoot, and then we see the next dip towards the downside. If this happens, this target area would also extend a little bit here towards to the upside, but for now, I'm going exactly with this expectation, which I showed you also in my last Cardano analysis. Thank you very much for watching. If this information was helpful for you, leave a comment, leave a subscription down below, activate the small little bell. And if you're searching for a nice exchange to trade on, use the link down below the video. You can get an $8,000 trading bonus when you register here with the link down below the video. And if you want to join my Telegram group, you can also do that with the link here down below the video, which is the link of my website. But it's in German, so if you understand it, you can of course enjoy that for 50 euros per month. If you're in English, don't worry, I will soon also start an English Telegram channel, but I want to first grow the YouTube channel here for the beginning. So thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for sticking with me until the very end, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here in this channel. Ciao, ciao.